Good morning, children. Now let us start. Listen this question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Then here the point on the x-axis, we know that the point on the x-axis is of the form x0. So here we can take letter Px0 be the point on the x-axis. Point on the x-axis which divides the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 in the ratio k is to 1. So we can write x0 is kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Now here the point of A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So we can write k into, here x2 is minus 4 plus x1 is 1 by k plus 1 and k y2 is 5 plus y1 is minus 5 by k plus 1, which is equal to ordered pair x0. Now here we equating the y coordinates. Now we get 0 is equal to, here y coordinate is 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. Now cross multiplying we get 5k minus 5 equal to 0. That is 5k equal to 5. So k is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So the ratio is 1 is to 1. So the ratio is 1 is to 1. Now we have to find the point on the x-axis. Now equating the x coordinate, we get x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. We know that the value of k is 1. So minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1 by k plus 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So the value of x is minus 3 by 2. We know that the point on the x-axis is of the form x0. So here the point on the x-axis is minus 3 by 2, 0. So the point on the x-axis is minus 3 by 2, 0. Now listen, next question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Now here we take letter the point P minus 1, 6. Let the point P minus 1, 6 is divided by the line segment joining the points A minus 3, 10 and B 6 minus 8 in the ratio k is to 1. Here we take let the ratio as k is to 1. So we can write let P minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points A minus 3, 10 and B 6 minus 8 in the ratio k is to 1. Now we can write minus 1, 6 ordered pair minus 1, 6 is ordered pair k x2 plus x1 by 2 and k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Sorry, k plus 1. Now minus 1, 6 is kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Then now here x1 minus 3 and 10 are x1 y1, 6 and minus 8 are x2 y2. Now substitute the value k into x2. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now k x2, k into 6 plus x1 is minus 3 by k plus 1. And k y2, k into minus 8 plus y1 is 10 by k plus 1. Now 6 into k is 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. Here minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1, which is equal to ordered pair minus 1, 6. Now we equating the x coordinate. Then we get 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 equal to minus 1. Then cross multiplying 6k minus 3 equal to k plus 1. Minus k, minus of k plus 1, that is minus k minus 1. Now transpose minus k to LHS and minus 3 to RHS. Then 6k plus k equal to minus 1 plus 3. That is 7k equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 7. So the ratio is 2:7. Okay.